What if I told you that you could go from knowing nothing about computers, not one line of code, not one technical term, to having a real shot at cybersecurity job for free? No degree, no $2,000 bootcamp. I'm going to show you the exact path. Stay till the end because I am giving this whole thing away. Here is the thing nobody tells you when you say I want to get into cybersecurity. You Google it and you get 1,000 different answers. One video says learn to hack, another says get a certificate, another says spend 2 grand on a course. None of them agree and none of them actually show you the order to learn things. So many people either give up in month or spend 2 years watching videos and still don't feel ready to apply for a job. That's the actual problem. Not that information doesn't exist, it's that nobody organized it. So I built the roadmap I wish someone handed me when I started. Start to finish, zero to job ready, and every single piece of it's completely free. Let me walk you through what's actually in it. First, the career map. Cybersecurity isn't one job. Some people watch for attacks happening right now, like security guards for computers. Some people get hired to break into systems on purpose, so companies can fix the holes before real criminals find them. And some people investigate after something bad happens, like digital detective. The roadmap breakdowns which of these fits you best and which one is easiest to actually get hired with zero experience. Then it builds from very bottom how computers actually work, how the internet actually works, how your phone talks to website on another side of the world, how to use operating systems that basically every company runs on behind the scenes, and just enough basic coding to automate the boring stuff so you are not doing everything by hand. After that, it gets hands on. Real practice environments, free ones, where you are not just reading, you are actually doing the job in a safe legal space. 30 real projects so you can show off. When someone asks what you have actually built, you have real answers, not just I watched some videos. I'm not guessing this. This is built from what I am actually doing myself. Running a real security lab, building real detection tools, and talking to people already working in this field every day. This isn't theory, it's the actual path. So, here is what to do. This entire roadmap, every resource, every free course, every project, I'm giving it completely free. Link is in the description. No email required, no catch. Just go build something.